Shamrock Plumbing serves all Southern Oregon with a fleet of service vehicles equipped with the latest technology to make your repairs fast and efficient. Call us at 541-479-1300 for your plumbing needs.
Yeah, we're at 869 Rogue River Highway here in Grants Pass, and our phone number is 479-1300. That's area code 541. Steve, Vince, and Sean, and we're happy to work here in this valley, and we like it here. I wouldn't be anywhere else. Give us a call. We will fix you up in your plumbing needs or emergencies. Any problems we can handle.
Please visit our website, shamrockplumbing.com, and see our current coupons and senior discounts. We at Shamrock Plumbing have sophisticated video equipment to actually see the problem before we start to work. This saves time and money. Each of our fleet vehicles is very well stocked with parts and equipment. This allows us to perform your plumbing needs efficiently and professionally.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Call Sudden Service Shamrock Plumbing.
That's
Take care
it.
of all your problems with a smile.